Hello, my name is Vincent Cheriere. I work at Airbus Commercial Aircraft in the digital innovation for customer services. I am an expert in digital capabilities for fleet performance services. This is my first time at the IMC conference. I was very happy that Professor Olga Fink invited me to participate to the conference and to give a talk about predictive maintenance on aircraft. I am very interested in the topic of explainable AI. This is crucial to introduce more and more features for users to help in the decision making. We are looking forward to innovating in our applications to bring more capabilities for the end users thanks to AI. And this is why explainable AI, generative AI is key for us in the coming years. And this conference brings us the state of art in research outcomes relating to this topic. From an industrial point of view, I was very happy to make the connection with research and other industries targeting the same decision making. And I will keep this connection for next work at Airbus in innovation. And of course, I will keep connection with this IMOS lab that is fantastic.